Here's how the Learn to Float tether works. The tether is made of 3 straps. Attach the white strap to the railing. You can also put it on the rung of a ladder or a hook on the wall. If your pool has none of these, you can buy a float bar. Put on the belt the longest strap of the tether, adjusted to fit you comfortably. Attach the white end of the blue strap to the white strap. Attach the other end of the blue strap to the floating buckle on the belt. Adjust the blue strap so it'll keep you within easy reach of the rail or the steps. To float, you have to be comfortable putting your face in water. This is where the book comes in. Read the steps of overcoming fear of putting your face in water happily, including having enough air, becoming perfectly comfortable opening your eyes underwater, putting your ears in, and feeling perfectly safe with your nose in water. The book has every step of becoming comfortable in water, shallow and deep. The next step is to hold on to the ladder and lower yourself down into the water, feet on the floor. If your feet float up, that's fine. If your feet stay on the floor, like Butch's, that's fine too. You wouldn't want to push yourself to do something you don't like. That would be managing your fear, not healing it. Notice that the tether is taut. This keeps you within easy distance of the rail. With your hands on the railing, see if it's your hands holding you up, your feet, or the water. Spend time finding out and be sure. Butch can feel that it's the water holding him up, so he doesn't mind taking his hands off the rail. He lets go of the railing, he doesn't float away, and he doesn't sink.